Hey everyone, welcome to Joystick Lab. In this channel, we talk about computer science, AR, VR, game development, and AI technologies. If you are new to this channel, consider subscribing and hit the notification bell for future updates.
In Unity, public variables are already serialized, so that is why when you declare a public variable, you can see that variable in the inspector. However, when you declare a private variable, you can see that that variable is hidden from the inspector. To see this variable in the inspector, we need to serialize this field by using the serialize field attribute. Now, how about hiding a public variable from the inspector? So if we have a public variable, we need to basically unserialize it. So we can say non-serialized. So this is going to unserialize that variable. So this is not going to be exposed in the inspector. Now you may ask, what if I don't want to see the variable, but the variable should be serialized? So we can do that by using hide in inspector. So hide in inspector is going to help you to hide the variable from the inspector, but you can still serialize this variable.